Cooking with Children the Montessori way. Activities that encourages children to try different types of fruit and vegetables. These activities are not just for encouraging healthy food, but indirect development of physical, emotional, and social development. Super easy, we are making egg tortilla. So easy to make. You don't need much. You can use whatever you have with an egg. So you need a muffin tray. You need a bowl. 1 egg. I'm using onion and tomatoes that were left from making the pastry, and chives that I had in the kitchen. Before you start, slightly grease the bottom of the muffin tray with a little bit of butter or oil, and you break an egg. So it depends on how many kids you have. So if you are doing it for 2 people, then 1 egg, and so forth. And just add all the ingredients. You can add even a little bit of cheese sometimes, fresh peas, spinach. I've sometimes asked children what we can add, and they've told me, can we add cauliflower or broccoli? And then I've got salt and pepper just for a little bit of taste. And here I'm chopping some chives, but I normally let the children just break the chives by using their fingers, because they can then smell the herbs. So here I only have chives. Normally I would have basil, or go out in the garden and get a little bit of rosemary or thyme, and that's it. And a little bit of salt, not much. Older children would normally ask for salt and pepper, so I do have it, and we'll add a little bit of it to the mixture. And then just mix everything well together. So get the children or one of the child, or do rounds. I'll normally like to do this activity with about 2 or 3 children, so that they can get the full benefit of the activity. So once you have thoroughly mixed the mixture, you just pour it in the muffin tray. So about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the mixture in each compartments, and then you put it in the oven at 180 degrees. So preheat the oven at 180 degrees, and it takes less than 5 minutes to bake. And that's it. It's a quick snack that you can even make tortillas, sort of like a sandwich. It's a very tasty, quick snack to make with children.